Peace and positive vibes. Energies. How these energies affect you. This is what this video is going to be about. The thing is, you are a soul, a spirit. You are a spirit having a human experience. This is why you live in a solar system. This is a system for your soul. Okay? And this is why we have things like days, different days of the week. You give different homage to these different stars. Okay? Which our earth plane, aka this garden that we on, this is a star too called Earth, is nearest to these different stars. Okay? And how these stars affect us as humans. So let's start from Monday. I want to use Sunday for the last, even though Sunday is the first day of the week, but today is Sunday, so I'll use Sunday for the last. Monday is a representation of the moon. Moon day. Okay? Monday is correlated to rest. This is a day of rest. This is why on Mondays, many persons don't want to go to work on a Monday, because it's initially a day of rest. In your subconscious mind, you always know the truth in your subconscious mind. Even though if you don't know why you feel this certain way, your Akashic records, aka your soul, know you're supposed to be doing a particular thing on these days. Okay? Monday is correlated to rest. Tuesday is the day of Mars. It's a day of action. Okay? Even in terms of wars, most wars took place on a Tuesday. Okay? A day of action. If you, whatever action you have for this day, when I say whatever action, like in terms of you have a meeting, you trying to close a deal, you're trying to do something new and you was afraid, Tuesday would be that day to go there and make that action happen. Alright, it's a day of action. Wednesday is the day of Mercury. Okay, Mercury dies. That's what they used to call it. And in Roman mythology, it's quantitative for Mercury. Okay, Mercury is a planet. All right, aka a star. Mercury is the day of communication. All right, that's a great day of communicating. So too, even if you have a business meeting, this is a great day of communicating, and not even just with business meetings, with your family, with your spouse. You have something you want to communicate about to solve. This is a great day of communicating. Thursday, Jupiter. Thursday is quantitated to Jupiter, the day of expansion. Okay, so you have ideas which you want to expand on. Business ideas, what you're trying to do in life, whatever you're trying to succeed in. This is a great day of expansion via your mindset, your ideas. Okay? Friday is the day of love, aka the day of Venus. Okay? This is why on a Friday most persons go out, try to link up with other persons. This is a day of love. Okay, couples go out, or people go out to try to meet persons. This is a great day of love. Saturday is Saturn day. This is the day quantitated to Saturn. Okay, the father of this solar system. This is why we have the Sabbath on a Saturday. Okay, it's quantitated to Saturn, which is the father of this realm. Even when we look back in ancient times, the Hebrews used to call Saturn Shabbat, and Shabbat got turned into Sabbath. All right, the Sabbath is on Saturn day, which is Saturday. Okay, the father of this realm, the Lord of the Rings. This is why Saturn has the most rings. It's the most influence. It has the most influence on you. The father of this realm. And even when we look in Greek mythology, Saturn is Kronos. And Kronos is the father of this realm. And Saturday is correlated to principles. This is a great day of principles. Again, this is why we have the Sabbath on a Saturday. So this is a great day too for getting things together. You and your family, you and your spouse. It's a day of principles, laws. All right. Now, Sunday. Today is Sunday. Sunday is correlated to your personality. So this is a great day of knowing thyself, which is so fitting because this channel is Know Thyself Worth. Sunday is a day of knowing yourself, knowing what you trying to predicate for this life, this physical life, what you trying to do, your goals in life, what you trying to accomplish. All right. Sunday is the day of personality, knowing thyself, knowing yourself. But everything got construed in this realm because at the end of the day, the elites don't want you to know yourself. They want you to be lost. So, what Sunday got turned into? Sunday got turned into a day of worship. All right, a day of you worshiping some other spirit being. All right, aka religion. And the word religion stems from the Latin word religare. Religare means to tie and bind. And this is exactly what a religion is doing to one's mind. It's tying and binding you into one way of thinking. All right? One way of thinking. When you're supposed to know thyself, you're supposed to know yourself as a light being, aka an idea. Because all ideas, aka all lights, stem from the ethereal mind. There's an ethereal mind out there. And we all stem from that. You are its ideas, living out a different lifestyle, aka a different personality. So you're supposed to know thyself. Because the God that you're trying to seek is within you. Your spirit, your soul. That's the Akashic records right there. So you're supposed to know thyself to conjure up the true God energy. That's the true God energy. Not you going to church on a Sunday and worshiping something else. And again, your subconscious mind knows the truth. Look at a teenager, and I'm using a teenager for an example, or even the child. They don't want to go to church on a Sunday. They want to do something for themselves. Now, I didn't use elderly persons because most of them far gone in their belief. So a lot of them can't even be saved. But again, your subconscious knows the truth. A lot of times on a Sunday you wanted to do something for yourself, but you got trapped in having to go to church on a Sunday because of this realm's belief, these archons who rule this realm, these draconians who trying to keep you lost and not knowing thyself. You're supposed to know yourself on a Sunday. This is a great day of knowing yourself, planning out what you want for this life. So this is why you got to know thyself. You got to know your natal chart. You live in a solar system, a system for your soul. So you got to know the energies that we conjuring up through the days of the week, aka the different representation of these planets and how they affect you. Sunday is a day of personality, your personality, conjuring up the energies that you need to conjure up for this life, because you have a mission for this life. We all have missions as souls. Now, if your mission in this life is to be lost in the religare system, then so be it. This video ain't for you. But this video is for the persons who are waking up and need to hear this message. Sunday is the day of you knowing thyself, understanding your mission for this life. All right? Peace and positive vibes. Know thy self-worth. You are limitless. Look out for more videos coming too.